Imagine being able to quickly create a solution customized for your business that runs on iPad, iPhone, Windows, Mac, and the web. The FileMaker platform makes this possible with no programming skills. Let's quickly create a solution for a commercial landscape company that currently uses spreadsheets, photos, and paper contracts to manage their customers. We'll bring them all together in a solution that is shared between a team of mobile employees and office staff. Let's get started. Spreadsheet data can be quickly imported into FileMaker Pro on a desktop computer with a drag and drop. Once the information is in FileMaker Pro, we can view the data in a spreadsheet-like table view or in a form view which shows one record at a time. The next step is to build a layout or interface to best meet the needs of the team. Layouts can be specifically designed for desktop and the web, iPad, iPhone, and even for printing. We'll choose the iPad layout and using FileMaker's design tools set up the layout for users' needs. The next step is to indicate the information we want to see. Drag and drop the fields of data we already imported from the spreadsheet onto the layout and even add new fields. Fields allow you to manage text, numbers, dates, and more, including fields to contain multimedia files like photos, documents, and videos. Insert your company logo and headers. Choose from more than 50 pre-designed themes, including touch themes made specifically for iPad and iPhone. When space is limited, tabs help to organize different types of information, like contracts and work orders. FileMaker is great for managing documents. We can store the contract for each customer. Create fields to capture customer signatures and the date signed. Now that we've built the key elements of our solution, we can see the customer data imported from the spreadsheet. Add a photo and a copy of the customer contract as a PDF or document into our new fields. Let's share the solution so mobile staff can access all customer details they need. Share the solution from the desktop or upload it to FileMaker Server. Sharing with FileMaker Server supports larger groups of users, plus it provides access to the solution in a web browser using FileMaker Web Direct. Now let's run the new solution on iPad. We'll use FileMaker Go, which is free on the App Store. We can now interact with the solution on iPad. We can take a picture of the customer location using the iPad camera or choose a photo from the image library, and it'll be stored in the photo field we created earlier. While at the site, we'll get the manager's signature and date for the approved contract. As soon as changes are made on iPad, like adding the photo and signature, they instantly appear for all those using the solution on a computer, web browser, or other iOS devices. So far, we can track customers efficiently. Now let's extend the solution to manage work orders. FileMaker solutions can quickly evolve as company needs grow and change. We'll import the work order spreadsheet to get a more complete picture of the customer's needs. Now all 1,400 work orders are in FileMaker. We'll go back to the customer layout so we can create a way to see the specific work for each customer. First, we'll add a portal to the layout so we can connect the two groups of information, in this case, customers and work orders. Next, we'll establish the relationship. Each group of data imported is represented by a box. To create the relationship between the two, draw a line between common information. For this example, it is customer number. Now let's say we want to see the date, description, and hours for each work order. As soon as we add the ability to view work orders in FileMaker Pro on the desktop, we've extended the functionality of the solution without having to touch the iPad. Everyone on the team can now see the work orders for each customer wherever they are. Within minutes, we created an iPad solution that provides remote employees with essential customer details, including contracts and work orders. They can capture photos and customer signatures that are shared with others. With additional time, you can create a more comprehensive solution with a slide control to show multiple photos, video with playback controls, labels for the work order details, a calculation with total hours worked, and popovers that allow you to add new work information with a few taps, including date and hours worked. Add interactive maps and get driving directions right within the FileMaker solution. And create charts and reports that can be converted into PDFs and emailed to customers right from the iPad. You can see how easy it is to take scattered information and bring it all together into a visually appealing and easy-to-use solution that provides all staff with access to the most up-to-date information wherever they are. Let FileMaker help you create, share, and run solutions that are customized to the way you and your team work.